Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how trees communicate with each other and why it's important for their survival. Trees may seem like silent and solitary beings, but they are actually part of a complex network of interactions that span across forests and ecosystems. Trees can communicate with each other through various means, such as chemical signals, electrical impulses, fungal connections, and even sound waves. One of the most fascinating ways that trees communicate is through the mycorrhizal network, which is a web of fungal threads that connects the roots of different trees. Through this network, trees can share nutrients, water, and information with each other. For example, if one tree is attacked by insects or disease, it can send a warning signal to its neighbors, who can then prepare their defenses by producing chemicals that repel the invaders or attract predators. Another way that trees communicate is through electrical impulses that travel along their branches and roots. These impulses can be triggered by environmental stimuli, such as light, temperature, or touch. For example, if one tree is exposed to more sunlight than another, it can send an electrical signal to the shaded tree, who can then adjust its growth and photosynthesis accordingly. Trees can also communicate through sound waves that are too low for humans to hear. These sound waves are produced by the movement of water and sap inside the tree. By listening to these sounds, trees can sense the health and activity of their neighbors. For example, if one tree is drought-stressed, it can emit a sound that signals its need for water to nearby trees, who can then reduce their own water consumption to conserve the limited resource. Why is communication important for trees? Communication helps trees to cooperate and support each other in times of stress and danger. It also helps them to maintain a balance and harmony in their environment. By communicating with each other, trees can create a resilient and diverse community that benefits not only themselves, but also other plants and animals that depend on them. But how do trees learn to communicate? Scientists believe that trees have evolved their communication skills over millions of years of coexistence. They have learned from their ancestors and from their interactions with other living beings. They have also adapted to different conditions and challenges that they face in their habitats. For example, some trees have learned to communicate with animals that can help them disperse their seeds or pollinate their flowers. They can produce fruits or nectar that attract these animals and reward them for their service. Some trees have learned to communicate with humans who can help them conserve or restore their environment. They can provide us with valuable products or services such as wood, medicine, oxygen, or shade. They can also inspire us with their beauty, wisdom, or resilience. They can teach us how to live in harmony with nature and with each other. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. See you next time, and as always, keep exploring.